You know, when it comes to manufacturing medicine, there is absolutely zero room for error. Every single step, every step, is locked down by these super strict rules. And it's all for one reason: to keep patients safe. But now something huge is walking onto the scene: artificial intelligence. It's promising a total revolution, but it's also bringing up some really tough questions.
Really think about that for a second. Would you feel comfortable knowing an algorithm was in charge of making something you put in your body? Something so critical to your health? It's a question that gets right to the heart of this massive shift happening in medicine today.
So, to really get what's at stake here, let's first look at the incredible upside of AI. We're not just talking about a small tweak. We are talking about completely reinventing the pharmaceutical factory as we know it.
What you're looking at here is pretty much the dream. This is the vision of the smart factory. It's all digitized, completely connected, and it's constantly optimizing itself. It's a place where data is just flowing from every sensor, every machine, creating this intelligent system that can watch, adapt, and get better all on its own, in real time.
Okay, let's break this down, because this is where it gets really cool. This isn't just about making things faster, it's about making them so much smarter. AI can tell you a machine is going to fail before it actually does, saving a ton of money and time. It can make tiny little adjustments to a process as it's happening, making sure every tablet is absolutely perfect. You've got algorithms that can sift through mountains of data to get more life-saving medicine out of every single batch. And get this, AI cameras can spot imperfections that are literally invisible to the human eye. The potential here for both efficiency and quality is just mind-blowing.
But all of this amazing futuristic tech is on a collision course with a system built on decades of rules. Rules that were designed for one thing: guaranteeing safety and consistency. Welcome to the world of regulation.
And right at the center of this world is something called Good Manufacturing Practice, or GMP. The best way to think of it is as the absolute non-negotiable rulebook for the entire pharma industry. It's not just about checking the final product. No. It's a whole system that dictates every single part of production to make sure quality is built in from the very start.
So what does this all boil down to? It means GMP is completely obsessed with control, consistency, and reproducibility. The whole point is to create a process that's so well understood, so locked down, that every pill that comes off the line is a perfect, safe copy of the one that came before it. No exceptions. And the foundation of all that trust? It's data. Specifically, data integrity, which is summed up by this acronym, ALCO+. As you can see, it's a set of principles making sure that every piece of data is attributable. We know who did what when. Legible, you can actually read it. Contemporaneous, it was recorded as it happened. Original, it's the first record. And accurate, it's a true reflection of reality. Basically, every single action leaves a perfect, trustworthy paper trail.
All right, and this is where the central problem of our story really comes into focus. What happens when this dynamic, constantly learning technology slams into a system that's built on fixed, rigid, unchangeable rules? And this chart just lays out the clash perfectly. On one side, you've got GMP systems. They're validated, and then they're locked in. They have to be consistent, reproducible, and you have to be able to explain every single step. But AI systems, they are the polar opposite. They are designed to learn, to adapt. Their whole point is to be dynamic and to evolve. And sometimes, how they make a decision can be a total black box. They are fundamentally at odds. And that brings us to the real head-scratcher for regulators. How can an agency like the FDA approve a manufacturing process that might be different tomorrow than it is today? How in the world do you put a stamp of approval on something that is designed to constantly change? So this is the massive puzzle that the sharpest people in the industry and at the regulatory agencies are trying to solve as we speak. They're not trying to slam the brakes on innovation. Instead, they're trying to build a bridge between this incredible new technology and the timeless need for patient safety.
And I think this quote from a major European pharma association just hits the nail on the head. It reframes the whole conversation. The point isn't to throw out the GMP rulebook, not at all. The point is to use AI as this powerful new tool to follow those same rules, but to do it more efficiently and more reliably than we ever could before.
So the way forward is all about being smarter, not just more rigid. It starts with a risk-based approach. An AI that just schedules machine maintenance doesn't need the same level of scrutiny as an AI making a final decision on product quality. It also means we have to invent new ways of validating, dynamic validation, that can keep an eye on these models as they learn. And maybe most important of all, keeping a human in the loop. There has to be a qualified expert who supervises the AI and has the final say.
AI becomes a tool that enhances human expertise, it doesn't just replace it.
And listen, don't think for a second that this is all just theory. This bridge between AI and regulation, it's already being built. There are pioneering companies putting these ideas into practice right now, and they're getting the green light from regulators.
I mean, just look at this. These are real-world success stories. Janssen got FDA approval for an AI-driven process that cut their release time from a month down to just 10 days. Pfizer used their AI platform to speed up vaccine production, squeezing out 20,000 extra doses per batch. And GSK built a digital twin of their production line to perfect it, all within the strict GMP rules. This proves that regulators are willing to say yes as long as companies can prove their systems are under control and completely safe.
So we end up circling back to where we started, but maybe with a new perspective. The biggest question isn't really if AI has a place in making our medicine. It clearly does. The real question is about us, the people. AI is not going to replace the quality professionals who ensure our medicine is safe, but it is absolutely going to change what their job looks like. The future is going to demand this new mix of deep scientific knowledge and serious data skills. So the real challenge is, are we ready for that?